Don't sell the sun to buy a candle. Every thought is a seed. You choose what grows. The blind person is not afraid of ghosts. No road is long with good company. Thorns and roses grows on the same tree. A diamond with a flaw is better than a common stone that is perfect. A true word needs no outs. There is a deep sea between saying and doing. Always young person teach the right lesson of life. Don't argue even when you are right. Every person's value is in the thought they hold. Deep things, emotions are more expensive than time, so spend it on those who understand you. The world is full of good people if you can't find one by one. The world is giving you answers each day. Learn to listen. As you grow, you change. As you change, you grow. Beautiful people are not always good, but good people are always beautiful. If you have the power to make someone happy, do it. The world needs more of that. Your wings already exist. All you have to do is fly. Life is not easy. When you have an overthinking